What if you are accused of leaving the scene of an accident? Folks, here in Central Florida, this stuff gets serious real fast. On the misdemeanors, you face up to a year in jail. On the felonies, you face up to 5 years in jail. I'm going to explain that a little later. But first, I want to tell you the basics are that leaving the scene of an accident is, look, Florida law requires you to stop. Florida law requires you to exchange information. Florida law requires you to render aid, not take off and let them lie there bleeding or what have you, right? However, depending on how that situation went will determine whether your situation is a misdemeanor or a felony. The misdemeanors usually deal with property damage. Nobody was in the car, nobody was hurt. That's a misdemeanor, up to a year in jail. If you're in the felony zone, somebody was in the car, somebody was hit, a pedestrian, somebody was hurt. And this is kind of like a thing now. Maybe it's all the billboards out there, but everybody claims that they were hurt on these things. And that kind of tends to lead to prison time. It kind of tends to lead to serious felony time. And I don't believe a lot of these allegations that, oh, I was hurt, oh, I was hurt. So I don't want you to panic. I don't want you to worry too much just because somebody went and got themselves a lawyer and said, oh yeah, this accident caused a lot of damage, my neck's hurt. No, not necessarily. Maybe. We will fix it though. I will tell you a fact of modern life and leaving the scene of an accident cases. I am getting every leaving the scene of an accident now has accompanying video footage. Why? I think people just think this thing's going to go viral. I think every time they hear a crash, they get out their cameras and they start filming. So most people nowadays that are involved in a leaving the scene of another car, there is actual video footage because people have their phones out at the ready so fast. Maybe, I don't know, thinking it's going to go viral. Who knows? There's going to be some tension and they can capture it on video. Who knows? But we are seeing it nonstop. What this means for you, by the way, the police are going to quickly track you and figure out potentially who you are. They're going to need more evidence though. So they're going to knock on your front door and a couple front doors that are related to your car and start asking questions. Kids out there, the knock's going to come at your mom's front door. Hey, who was driving that white Mustang? Who normally drives it? Oh, this little Joey. Was he driving it Friday? Oh yeah, he's driving it Friday. They're going to look around. They're going to maybe even see the white Mustang parked there. They're going to possibly take pictures of it to verify that it wasn't an accident, etc., etc. This is what you can expect from these situations. And the first thing you need to do is you really need to get an attorney involved. I know I sound like I'm a barber telling you that you need a haircut, but you really do need a haircut because I don't want you talking to these people. If they're going to accuse you of a crime, well, let them prove the case without you giving a bunch of details. So please get an attorney involved, get a local attorney involved. We do this sort of thing in Central Florida, and I wish you luck on your leaving the scene.